Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican beetroot juice. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by peeling the beetroot, and I have 3 beetroot right here. Now I'm gonna cut the ginger up. I'm not gonna peel the ginger, I'm just gonna wash and cut these up. You wanna cut them into size that can blend it in your blender. So this is what we have here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and wash these, and then we're gonna blend. Now I'm gonna add about 2 cups of water to the blender. And I'm gonna add the beets and the ginger. I'm gonna do this in 2 batches. And now we're gonna blend. Now I'm gonna strain this. You're gonna need a sieve or a strainer to strain the beets and the ginger. Gonna add 2 more cups of water. And I'm gonna add the rest of beet and ginger. And you can use as much as you want with the ginger. You can use less or you can use more if you want. I like lots of ginger into my juices. It gives lots of flavor. I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna blend for at least 2 minutes. Strain again. Now we're gonna squeeze out the juice from the trash. You can use a spoon or you can use your hands. I'd rather to use my hands. Now I'm gonna add my lemon and lime. You could use lemon or lime, but I'm using both. Give it a nice tropical flavor. Oh my goodness! So now we're gonna remove our strainer. And I'm gonna add the 2 cups of sugar. Now we're gonna mix this and dissolve the sugar. And you can adjust this to your taste. If you want taste it and you taste like you want more sugar, you could add more sugar to it. Now we're gonna serve this up with some ice. And there you have it, guys. This was simple and easy to make how I make my Jamaican beetroot juice. If you reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Great source of iron. A mint. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video and how I make this lovely beetroot. This is so refreshing and nice. If you like beetroot, you'll surely enjoy this juice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video, and I'm gonna taste it for you. So good, so good. Bye, guys.